Be good children. India does not need chemists only. India does not need doctors and engineers only. We want common people, we want good human beings. And remember, it's the good human beings who are going to run the country.
Most students are capable of achieving remarkable things if they are given the right inputs and motivational leadership. One can only evolve and nurture under someone who can give them the right direction and who can show an unselfish and right direction else than a teacher. A teacher wants no gain from his or her students. The only thing that they want is to be a contributor to the society.
The task of a teacher is not to cut down jungles, but to irrigate deserts. Well, that is what Chawla ma'am does. She focuses on the all-round development of a student during her class by boosting their confidence. Not only this, but she also provides a liberal atmosphere for further encouragement. For her, it is not important to score good marks. What matters is that you learn by heart.
She do not want her children to focus on materialistic things. Rather, she wants them to learn the beauty of simplicity. Pen is mightier than the sword. For Chawla ma'am, chalk is the mightiest. It is sweet to the eyes what magic this lady does with just one simple chalk.
The maximum crowd, when you're going somewhere outside, the maximum crowd is a common man. How do you lead your life? How you help others? What are your missions in life? How you can be a good person? How can you do your duties well? That is more important. That is more important.
Teachers are like milestones in our life. All they do is showing the way and making us closer to our destination. One such milestone in my life is Mrs. Meena Chawla ma'am, or as everyone says, Chawla ma'am. A teacher by profession and motivator by heart. Well, she is one of those unique teachers who are unorthodox in their style, straightforward in their approach, and effective in their implementation. It's not necessary to be a CEO. It's necessary to be a good man, says Chawla ma'am.
You have to have love for the subject, but to be a good student is in everybody's ability. To be regular to school, to be sincere, try to do your work on time. These professionals will be busy making money. They have got a mission in life because they have worked so hard, so they want money. But who will run the country? How will the country run? Standing straight for your national anthem, we call it patriotism. It is patriotism. But keeping your city clean, taking care of electricity, doing your work sincerely, not wasting water, all these things can be inculcated right in the beginning of a child's life, and that the child will carry always with him. You become a professional for yourself. You may serve mankind. You may be philanthropic. You may give something for the society. You may do monetary help. You may do some service. It's not necessary to be a professional for that. We can do all these by being a good human being also. Live a simple life, lead a happy life, make others happy. That is more important than to be a very great professional. This was really, I was born to be a teacher and I'm proud to be.
The mediocre teacher tells, the better teacher explains. The good teacher demonstrates, the great teacher inspires. Ending it as Chawla ma'am would have done. life queen size.